What's up, guys? My name is Patrick and welcome to Crypto Space. So, it's Monday and we see the market cap, overall market cap is growing. It's currently at a new all-time high. Bitcoin dominance is growing a little bit since yesterday. But think about it, guys. The market cap is now at $238 billion. And that's with about 0.2% of the world's population. Imagine how this would look like when we grow to 2% of the world's population in cryptos. It's really exciting to think about, actually. So yeah, we're definitely heading for some exciting times in the future. Next year I think will be a great year for cryptos, to be honest. But yeah, moving on to Bitcoin. Yesterday we did see Bitcoin add about $250 to its opening price. It did hit the price channel before it retraced a little bit. Today we don't see too much happening at the current moment. But it's still early in the day, so lots of things can happen. As I said before, I don't think it will break this price channel before the CME group starts trading. Maybe it will follow the price channel up, or maybe it will just try to trade sideways, or maybe it will correct a little bit. I don't know. I'm not sure yet. But I definitely don't think it will break the price channel yet. So the biggest traders of the day is Bitfinex and the US dollar, with $323 million traded within the last 24 hours. After that you have the BitHub and the Korean won with $172 million traded within the last 24 hours. Moving on to Ethereum. So yesterday we saw that Ethereum did grow. It added about $8 to its opening price. It did go as high as $372. Today we don't see too much happening right now. As I said, it's still early in the morning, but I still do think we will see $390, $400 within this week or next week, for sure. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but we actually have a pretty nice W here. So it did break out of this one, so it will probably move up to where it started to make the W. So it's a bullish sign, that's for sure. But yeah, $390, $400. That's my opinion, of course, but I'm pretty sure. The biggest traders today is BitHub and the Korean won, with $127 traded within the last 24 hours. After that you have the Bitfinex with the US dollar. They have traded $97 million within the last 24 hours. Moving on to Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash did retrace a little bit yesterday. It lost about $80, I think it was, to its price. Yeah, something like that. About $80, $70 or $80 to its price. It lost from its price. Today we see it's moving up a little bit. I have put up a price channel here. I do think maybe when we hit this price channel, it will probably push the price up a little bit. I don't think this is the last we're seeing of Bitcoin Cash. We will probably see more of it in the coming weeks or next month or something like that. The biggest traders of the day is BitHub and the Korean won with $488 million traded within the last 24 hours. After that, you have Hit BTC with the Bitcoin Cash BTC pair, which has traded $129 million within the last 24 hours. Moving on to Litecoin. Litecoin has had a pretty good week. Let me put it on daily here. Yesterday we saw that Litecoin added about $2, a little bit above $2 to its price. Today it's not too much going on, but still early in the morning, at least here in Norway. I do think that Litecoin will continue to move up this week as well. Last week it added about $13 to its about $13 to its opening price. So that's pretty good. Good to see that Litecoin is starting to move. Been waiting a long time for that. As you can see here as well, you have this W here. So if you can imagine, we have a resistance line around here. It has actually broken that, and then this one would be the next one. So it will for sure this week we'll see around $78, $79, $80. But of course that's my opinion, but I do think that. Biggest traders of the day is GDAX and the US dollar with almost $42 million traded within the last 24 hours. After that you have the Bithumb and the Korean won with $40 traded within the last 24 hours. Moving on to EOS. So EOS we saw yesterday retrace a little bit. It did go as high as $2.07 and as low as $1.75. It closed its price at $1.87. Today we see it's moving up a little bit. It has been as high as $2.05. So I've drawn up something here, $1.62. That's what I think is going to happen, and maybe it won't happen, but I think it will start retracing down here to this point here. As you see, I have stretched it to the 4th of December. So that's when they're gonna launch their test net, and that's when I think EOS will really show off some muscles. But of course, this is my opinion. You should definitely do your own research and not just take my word for it. But yeah, this is what I think is gonna happen. The biggest traders of the day is Bitfinex and the US dollar with $24 million traded within the last 24 hours. After that you have also the Bitfinex with the EOS BTC pair, which has traded $10 million within the last 24 hours. Moving on to NEO. Yesterday we saw NEO did take a bit of a hit. It did go as high as $47.7 and as low as $34.50 or $34.50. We do see it is currently moving down a little bit more. It has been all the way up to $44. As I said, I don't think this is the last we've seen of NEO either. I think there is more room for it to move to about $64, $65, something around there. And as I pointed out yesterday, let's see if I can zoom out here. If you look at this one here, it is quite similar to what's going on here. And if you look at this one, the swing up here, that might be the swing here. So it's pretty similar. but of course this is my opinion. But yeah, I do think we will see at least $60. I am sure. But yeah, my opinion. The biggest traders of the day is the NEO BTC pair with $112 million traded within the last 24 hours. After that you have Bitfinex and the NEO US dollar with 69, almost 70,000, $70 million traded within the last 24 hours. So yeah. And there was something I forgot to mention to you guys yesterday. That is that South Korean's Yongsong, one of the world's largest ATM manufacturers, is gonna implement Bitcoin to its ATMs. It has already done it on in South Korea, or in a domestic level. It's now gonna go international. Which is great actually, because it's pushing Bitcoin out to the people. And when people, most of the people, when they hear about cryptocurrency, it is always Bitcoin. And then when they go, if they go buy some, then they will start finding out about all these other altcoins. I know, at least with me, when I started hearing about cryptocurrency, it was Bitcoin. I didn't hear anything about Ethereum or Litecoin or anything about that. It was always Bitcoin. And I'm sure that many of you recognize that as well. But yeah, it's good news. It's good for adapting to the crypto market. That's for sure. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, press the small bell next to it so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. As I said yesterday, today I'm gonna go away for 5 days. I'm probably gonna be back on Friday or Saturday morning. But I won't be able to upload daily market reports or updates every day, but I will try to do every second day at least. And maybe I will give you guys a video about where I am and what I'm gonna do. As I said yesterday, it doesn't have anything with cryptocurrency to do, but maybe some of you guys will find it interesting. We'll see. So until next time, guys, stay safe and take care. Bye.